To edit assignments in Google Classroom, start by opening a web browser and typing in Google Classroom. From the search results, click on the Google Classroom option, which will take you to the login page. Log in using your Google account information if you're not already signed in. Once logged in, navigate to the Home page and select the class that contains the assignment you want to edit. You can access the assignment through the Stream or Classwork sections. In the Classwork section, you'll see a list of assignments, and you can click on the one you want to edit. Alternatively, you can find the assignment in the Stream section and click on the three dots next to it. Then select Edit. From there, you can make changes to the assignment, add new information, or modify existing content. When you're finished, simply click Save to update the assignment.